All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited for this video. Today, I'm going to be talking about the 6 reasons your affiliate marketing campaigns are not profitable. Now, I have hit over $450,000 in my affiliate marketing business, and I have been using YouTube and free organic traffic. That's what I teach you on this channel. So if you want to learn about these quick tips, then stick around for the entire video. Let's get started. So reason number 1 is picking one strategy and sticking with it. So we all have like shiny object syndrome, especially when you're trying to make money online. You're trying to build an online business. You're taken to this ebook and that course and this free course. You're signed up to people's newsletters. It's all over the place. And then every single day, new products come out telling you that that's the exact formula and product that you need to follow and purchase for success, right? We've all been there. We know the game. But this is the way that I operated for years. I had some successes building some niche websites, making some affiliate income with Amazon associates, things like that. But nothing ever was, life-changing income and stable income on a daily, weekly, and especially monthly basis to where I would even have a chance to even leave my 9-to-5 job to do this full time. But back in 2019, if you guys know my story, I was actually working full time as an inventory director. So I was making good money in my day job. I do have a bachelor's degree in business. And so a lot of people would say that, hey, you reached the peak, you went really high, you were successful and in the corporate business industry, right? But I hated it. I hated my job, managing departments, having people directly report to me, a lot of people having to hire and fire and dealing with HR and dealing with auditors and bank auditors and millions of dollars of inventory. It was very stressful, right? And it's not what I wanted to do or pursue. And so in 2019, around the beginning of that year, I decided that, you know what? Everything else that I've tried in the past hasn't really worked out for me, right? It's worked a little bit and then I don't stick with it and then I try something else and then that doesn't work. And then it's like, well, something I'm missing is like actually picking a strategy and sticking with it for a long enough period of time to where I can actually make a really good call and judgment if that strategy is actually going to work for me or not. And we're talking about months, right? I recommend a minimum of 3 months before you even call it quits on any strategy. Particularly, I suggest 6 months. And if you can go a year, you're doing even better. Okay. Now in 2019, like I said, before that, I was bouncing all over the place from business strategy to business strategy until I finally was like, okay, you know what? There's a lot of other people that are successfully building businesses on YouTube. And so, what's one thing that you need to be in a successful business online or a successful affiliate marketer? Well, you need traffic and you need daily, consistent, evergreen traffic. Well, obviously YouTube can provide that, right? And so that's when I picked YouTube as my strategy. That was going to be my traffic source and my strategy, okay? And so I picked that strategy. And by the end of 2019, that's when things started changing. I started making consistent money. And then the consistent strategy led to success after 2019. Okay. So reason number 1, picking one strategy and sticking to it. Most people do not do this. And that is a big no-no. That is going to almost guarantee that you're not going to be able to be successful because you keep bouncing around from idea to idea. Okay. So reason number 2, I'm promoting the right products, okay? So before this, when I was starting out and trying to do this, I was getting those ebooks that people are sending me, and it was telling me to go and, do something really kind of funny, if you will, to create, a lead magnet or something like that, load it with your affiliate links, and then go spam the internet, right? Go spam Twitter, go spam Quora. You guys have all heard of all these strategies, right? And they just simply don't work. Trust me, you will be wasting your time, and it can even lead into you to feel depressed because you're spending so much time doing something that's not going to fulfill you and not going to make you money, okay? And so you want to start finding the right products to promote, products that are high value that you can actually tell real people about, right? One of the tricks about affiliate marketing is that there's real people that you're actually trying to talk to, and there's real people that you need to provide value to. And you can't do that by recommending crappy products to them, right? And so Once I learned this, that I need to be promoting high quality products, I need to own the products, and then I need to demonstrate those to people and why they might benefit them as well, right? And once you do that, after that, you can become a top affiliate like I am for so many companies, right? The more selective we can be about our products, or the more honest we can be about our product reviews, the more money that you're going to make in your business, okay? So reason number 3 that your affiliate marketing campaigns are not working for you is helpful content, right? So if you're not creating helpful content and providing value to people, then why are they going to tune in to watch your next video? Okay. So that's very, very important. The problem was I wasn't creating helpful content that built trust in the beginning because I was just trying to do every review I could, like on Warrior Plus or something like that, and get all those reviews out. And then at the end of the day, it's like, well, more than half of these products that you're reviewing, they're not really that great of products, right? And sometimes you're not quite being honest in your reviews. You're just trying to get people to click on your link. That needs to go away. That thought process needs to go away as well. You need to provide helpful content and build real value, real trust, build an audience of people that know, like, and trust you. And you're going to, have a lot bigger chance of succeeding with affiliate marketing. Okay. So the solution was that I started doing more reviews on products on YouTube, and that changed the game because I was actually, when I was in the middle of reviewing a product, if it actually turned out to be kind of a crappy product, I actually would state that in my final analysis and my final thoughts. I would actually say, you know what, this product's really not that great. You really don't need this product, right? And so you don't want to become a channel that just bashes every product. No, but if the product sucks, you probably need to be honest about that, okay? Will result in an increased trust and engagement with your audience. So reason number 4, adding value to affiliate links, right? So you have tutorials, you have your real testing of software products, digital products, courses, and so forth, right? And so until I started, doing honest reviews, I just posted affiliate links, and I focused on adding my own value through tutorials, real testing, and honest reviews. Adding these elements transformed my affiliate marketing approach. So before that, right, like I said, it was kind of a reason 4 and 3 are closely related. But when you're just trying to get as many people as you can to click on your affiliate links, actually the conversion rate's going to be really low as well, because not really providing that honest value, that high level value that people, when you do this right, people will actually intentionally wait for your video to come out. You might have a competitor that put out a video, but they'll actually wait for you to come out with your video to see what you have to say. And when you have that kind of influence on your audience, that is very, very powerful. So keep that in mind. So reason number 5, you don't have a clear audience targeting, right? And so you're trying to target everybody. You're trying to sell a product to everybody on the internet or everybody on YouTube, and it just doesn't work like that. You need to establish a target audience of people that you are talking to. So I'd like to think that my audience on this channel are people that were where I was at 5 years ago, people that are in their 9 to 5. It doesn't matter if you're a director or an inventory director. It doesn't matter if you're a manager or a supervisor. It doesn't matter if you're a janitor out of high school. It doesn't matter if you're a plumber or an electrician. It doesn't matter what you're actually doing, but if you're not really enjoying your job, right? We should all have the right to enjoy what we do and enjoy our job and be our own boss and all those things, right? So my target audience is you. If you are working your 9 to 5 job and you believe that there is a way out there that you could actually be making a nice side hustle income that eventually could turn into a job replacing income, right? We're talking $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per month and so on, then that is my audience. I'm talking to you. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman or how old you are, how young you are. My audience is I'm talking to people that are actually wanting to get out of their 9 to 5 job and they want to build a real sustainable business. Also, not doing these corny, unethical strategies that a lot of YouTubers are teaching you to do. That's not my audience. Also, my audience is not people that want a magic button method. This is not a get rich quick scheme. If you come into my programs, my coaching, or my courses, I teach you the real ways to do this and what can be life-changing, but you have to do the work yourself. You do have to be willing to be somebody that is willing to work and show up on a daily basis, at least 4 or 5 days a week, a couple hours a day, and you can build a real sustainable business, okay? But you need to be clear about who you want to talk to, right? Is it 40-year-old moms, stay-at-home moms, and that's your audience? Great. Is it, in their 50s that are, getting close to retirement but want a supplemental income? Like, those are all different kinds of people that you're talking to, right? Mine's a little bit, but it still is niched down enough to where I don't want people coming in that want the quick push button method. That's not what my strategy is that I teach, okay? So establish who your audience is, and you're going to go a lot further, okay? And then reason number 6 that your affiliate marketing is probably not working is your consistency. Now, I talk about this all the time, right? So the number 1 is the daily grind. And then number 2 is showing up. Number 3 is consistent effort. And then number 4, it can finally lead to success. Okay, so I wasn't consistent enough before, and I definitely wasn't consistent on one strategy. Pick one traffic source, one offer, and then do a daily grind. Grind daily, show up, and that's what actually worked for me. I wish that it was, more complex, if you will. I wish that there was some more secrets that I could share, but there really isn't. It's actually a simple formula. You pick your target audience, you provide value to that audience, and then you just show up every single day and repeat the same process. There's books that I've read. One of my favorite books is by Darren Hardy, and it's The Compound Effect. I believe he is the owner and founder of either Success Magazine or Entrepreneur Magazine, one of those. And this is a guy that became a multimillionaire in his 20s, and he has a really cool story. But essentially what he believes in and what I believe in, and it resonates exactly with me as well, is kind of an old school method of making money and an old school method of business success, is that you just got to show up and you got to do a little bit every single day. And then we can measure our results in 3 months, 6 months, in a year. We don't measure from day to day because you're not going to do anything that's life-changing on a daily basis. But when you look back and you do little compounding type things, tasks on a daily basis, it moves you to a larger goal that you can start measuring in 3 months, right? Like, an example would be if you're trying to build your YouTube channel up and you want your first 1,000 subscribers. Your first week, you're not going to get 1,000 subscribers. Most likely you're not, right? But you might get like 5 or 6. Right? And then the next, you show up and put out the exact same amount of videos. And then instead of getting 6 subscribers that second week, you actually end up getting like 12 subscribers, right? So then now you have a total of 12 subscribers the second week and 6 subscribers. So you're like 18 to 20 subscribers in just 2 weeks, right? And then it starts compounding, right? So that after a month, you have your 1,000 subscribers. But when you first start out, those first couple of days, it can seem so far away, right? And that's what I truly teach, and what I truly believe in is that when you show up on a daily basis and you practice consistency, that's when the success comes. And that's where most people miss the boat. I'll just be completely honest with you. Students come in and they buy courses, they buy into community, they do all kinds of things like that, and then they stay level 1. They don't engage, they don't share their story, they don't share their first steps that they did anything. People just want it done for them, and it just doesn't exist. The moment that you can realize this, the closer you will be at achieving this, okay? So finally, if you want to join YouTube Affiliate Launchpad, I'll leave the first link below. It's free to join. Make sure that you're one of those people that's willing to actually put in the work and learn a real craft, a real business. This is for free. I've got a full-fledged, like 3-hour course I'm giving away to you for free. All you have to do is come in, engage, and get your first 5 points, engage with the community, and then you unlock that course at level 2. Be a part of the community, learn the craft of YouTube and affiliate marketing. And then when you're ready to work even closer with me, I have other things that I can offer you as well. Hopefully you can upgrade into a paid community where you can get on calls weekly with me and so forth. We've got a great community. I hope to see you inside the free community to get started.